Hi, this is Dr. Russ. And in this video, I'd like to show you how to use Google Scholar when you're trying to come up with a topic for your paper. The approach that I'm going to show here, you can use to get ideas for a paper or to narrow your topic if it's too broad. So let's get started. Okay, I'll begin by starting the Google Scholar. Here I have a browser, and up in the address area, I'll type scholar.google.com. Okay, suppose I want to write a paper on football. I'll type that in and click the blue magnifying glass on the right. And oh my, up here at the top, I see that I've gotten 2,390,000 results. That's way too many. I can't begin to look at all those articles. Well, let me look down through what I have found anyhow and see if I get any ideas. Economics of football, globalization, English football, Italian football, Spanish football. I think I'll do Liberian football. So I'll go up here and I'll type Liberian in there. There, Liberian football. I'll click the blue magnifying glass. And now I have 15,500. Well, that's a lot less from several million, but it's still too many. What have we got here? Let's see what I found. Something about football and the Reconstruction. That has to do with the war. Child rights. Oh, I want something a little more related to football. I see George Weah there, but something about a war zone. No. Ethnography, women. Well, wait a minute. George Weah was a football star. So let me try football stars and see what I find. $6,890. Well, that's better than what I had before. Okay, well, I see George Weah's name again, and he's certainly probably one of our most famous football stars. So let me go ahead and type his name in here, and we'll just look at articles for him. There's that thing about war zone again. In post-conflict election, I don't want to talk about politics and football. I want to talk about football, the game, and George Weah as a great football player. What can I do? I know. What if I use the word scores? Then I'll start getting more into some statistics. And I bet that will focus on the game and less on government and war and stuff. Aha, 253 results. That's a pretty decent number, although it's still a lot. I know what I'll do. Right now, over on the left, I see it's getting all articles from all time. See, any time is clicked on red. We know that for academic papers, if we can, we like to use more current information. So I'm going to click since 2019. 59 results. Now I can definitely read 59 articles. So when I look at the words that seem to work for me up there, Liberian football stars, George Weah scores, I think a good topic would be George Weah's performance as a Liberian football star. Okay, now you try it. with your paper. Good luck. If you have any questions, ask your instructor or your lab assistant.